This one business hack made me a millionaire, and you're not using it. Yo, listen, this video right here is about to save you years of struggling in business. Now, I've spent over 150,000 and maybe even 200,000 on mentorship, right? Conferences, training, and today I want to give you guys a piece of that for free, right? I built what's this called? $3 million businesses, right? I built $1 million business in home healthcare. I built one in online coaching, and I built one in government contracting. And here's the thing, I didn't do it by accident, right? I learned the right lessons, right? It took action, and now I want to share what actually works for you or works for me so it can work for you. Okay. If you guys are open to that, let me know. Okay. Leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. This is good for you guys. So, maybe you're an entrepreneur, right? And you're trying to scale, or maybe you're a YouTuber and you're trying to hit that 6-figure a month mark. I know that sounds crazy, but yes, people are making 6 figures a month on YouTube. Not me yet, not when it comes to my YouTube ad revenue, but we're going to get there. If you want to get there with me, hey, follow, subscribe to this channel, follow, like it, all that good stuff, because I'm going to show you how to get there. Or maybe you're just done with your 9 to 5, because let's be real, like these jobs ain't loyal. And no matter where you're at, this video is for you. That's why I want to be very clear. This video is for anyone who's watching this. Oh, and speaking of loyalty, YouTube ain't loyal either, right? They'll never show you my videos again unless you hit that subscribe button. Okay, YouTube ain't loyal. You got to hit the subscribe button if you want to see this content. All right. Okay, no, seriously, I'll wait. I was like, okay, no, like seriously, guys, go hit the subscribe button. Like, all right, you get it? All right, let's keep going. All right, so okay, so if you don't, your Wi-Fi is gonna start acting up. Just saying. All right. Let's dive in. Let's dive into that one secret that you guys are here for, right? I call this the $1 million bookshelf. Right here behind me, I have my $1 million bookshelf. I have this bad boy right here, the 4-Hour Workweek, of many books. Knowledge. Shout out to whatever the guy who says knowledge all the time. Ty Lopez. Knowledge. Let's talk about knowledge, right? He's right what he's talking about. So I call this my $1 million bookshelf because the lessons in these books, they took me from a broke college student to a multi-millionaire entrepreneur. All right. And today, I'm giving you guys the number one business hack that changed my life. Now, before I drop this, let me warn you, this is going to be controversial. Some of y'all are going to fight me in the comments, and that's fine. But I promise, if you apply this, your business will never be the same. Heck, your life will never be the same. And you need to use these two things. Are you ready? Here they are. AI. Now, I'm still learning AI, but I'll share my insights as I go. So this is not an AI video. But number 2, a virtual assistant. And this is where everything changes. Now, before you start saying, Wes, I can't afford a VA. What is a VA? Virtual assistant. You can't afford not to. And real quick, if you're already arguing with me in your head, stop, take a deep breath, and subscribe to the channel. No, for real. Subscribe right now. Because trust me, you're going to want more of this free game I'm going to give you guys. So let me take you back. Way before I was making all the money I'm making now, right? I was just a college student struggling to finish my assignments. One of my classes required me to transcribe an hour-long video because, I was a school teacher. So I had to record myself teaching, and it was a whole hour. And then, if you ever transcribed anything manually, it's painful. To transcribe, you got to go pause, play. It's really hard to do. So I got creative, right? I found a VA overseas. I paid them like, I don't know, $3, $4 to do it for me. And I went to bed. I woke up and it was done, right? And that's when I realized, I was like, this is the key to business. While you're sleeping, somebody else is working for you. And here's the thing, y'all. If you're already using a VA, you're already using a VA, you just don't realize it, right? Do you order food on Uber Eats? Someone else is handling that for you, right? Do you use ChatGPT? AI is literally, your assistant. Do you use Amazon? Someone is like shipping your stuff and delivering it to your door. Like you're already using it. You just haven't used it to your benefit. So why do you still think you have to do everything yourself in your business, right? And speaking of doing things yourself, don't make me remind you guys again. Hit that subscribe button. I gotta be serious about that. I want you guys to really subscribe to this channel. All right. If you don't, the next Zoom call is gonna glitch and out, and I don't know. You're gonna have some issues. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. But this is where Dan Martell, okay, Dan Martell, write this down, guys. Dan Martell's book, Buy Back Your Time. This is where it comes in. A lot of people hesitate to get a VA because they don't know what to give them or like how to train them, right? And I understand that. I used to think I needed a whole SOP manual, right? Detailed training, step-by-step guides. No, nope, nope, nope. Here's what I did instead, or I do instead now. I record everything I do on my computer. If I'm writing emails, record it. If I'm creating a sales page, record it. If I'm editing a video, record it. You don't need to build a complicated training program. You just hit record, talk through what you're doing, and boom, that's your training for your VA. Okay, that's what they're gonna watch before they get started. And if you're thinking, dang, Wes, this is genius, I know. So go ahead and like the video. It's free. Subscribe, all that good stuff. Okay. But I'm serious, guys. I've invested, again, well over $200,000 in myself and going to conference. I even paid $5,000 for a 2-day event with Alex Ramosi. I'm telling you guys what I'm learning from these folks, and I'm giving it to you guys for free. I'm not packaging this up to sell. I'm just telling you, if you want to take your business to the next level, you need to hire a VA and you need to put them to work and follow this proven system. Okay. So just stop overthinking, y'all. Okay, you just stop overthinking. So let's see here. But the people making the money, they just start. You guys got to get started on what I'm teaching you. Okay. So here's my challenge for you. If you already have a business, go hire a VA like this week. Not even this week. Go hire a VA today. If you don't have a business yet, get one thing off your plate with a VA. And when you do, comment below. Let me know how it goes. Right. Also, if you made it this far and you still haven't, subscribe. Make sure you do. But guys, I want you to seriously use a VA. Even if you're a stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, I want you to incorporate a VA into your lifestyle because that's the first step of getting financial freedom. And again, I'm not going to go down the rabbit hole with Dan Martell's book, Buy Back Your Time, but you need to buy back your time. You need to realize, okay, if I cut my grass, that's, my time is worth, I'm just throwing out a number. Let's just say your time is worth $250 an hour and it takes you 2 hours to cut your yard. That's a $500 long, cutting, right? Or you can go pay someone $50 to cut your lawn or 100, however much it costs to cut lawn nowadays. You can go pay someone to cut your yard. And it's what? As long as you're using that new freed up time in money making activities, that's how you buy by your time. That's the secret here. And that's what VAs are going to do for you. Okay. That's what VAs are going to do. All right. So y'all, that's it. That's the video. Do me a favor, subscribe to this video. Let me know you guys got value out of this and go get you a VA. Like go get a VA today. If you need any support and help on how to train your video, what to do with your VA, I don't know. This is not an offer. I don't have anything to sell you. Leave a comment below. I'll do my best to reply to all comments and kind of give you some tips and tricks. But my one biggest tip and trick is, and I'll probably link it below, go get the 4-hour work week. That's kind of like foundational. There's probably a lot more ways to do VAs now, but this is very foundational for me. And that's it. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.